There's only one vehicle that blends classic style and modern design to create the next generation of an icon. Take a look at this 2023 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Widebody Jailbreak in pitch black. With dual scoop hood, competition suspension, 20-inch aluminum wheels, Brembo 6-piston front brakes, blind spot and rear crosspath detection, heated and ventilated front seating, steering wheel mounted paddle shifters, 14 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, Dodge SRT performance pages, demonic red seatbelts, remote start system, trunk-mounted subwoofer, 6.2-liter supercharged V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7952.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.